Hello student, good morning. Today we have discussed about the lesson 2 animal word revision. In this chapter we have discussed about the migration topic, but before that we have discussed about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. First see the homework. Hello student, as you know that in previous online class I have given homework, learn match the following of lesson 2. I hope all of you learned match the following in proper way, and I request you, all of you, please, those are watching the video, please, after watching video, you have to write name, class and section in comment box. Okay, this is a very important for your attendance. So all students, you have to write name, class and section in comment box daily after watching the video. Okay, lesson 2 animal world division, migration. You know that some animals migrate from one place to another place for searching food, for searching a favorable climatic condition, for breeding. So here different animals migrate from one place to another place. First we discuss about the Arctic tern. Arctic tern, this is a bird. This bird migrated from Arctic region to Antarctic region, and again come back from Antarctic region to Arctic region. Every year this bird migrate. Siberian crane, every winter season they come from the Siberia in Russia country, from India for breeding. You know that in winter season in Russian area, in Siberian area, with extremely cold conditions, minus temperature in minus 10 above. So they come for breeding in. Okay, salmon fish migrate from sea to river. Locusts also migrate. They cover long distance. Okay, they cover long distance. They migrate from one place to another place for searching food or other purpose. Monarch butterfly migrate North America and Canada to Mexico. Every time monarch butterfly migrate from North America and Canada to the Mexico. Now I'm solving the exercise of lesson 2 again. So lesson 2 animal word. A, choose the correct answer. Here 7 questions are given. Each questions have 4 options. Choose the correct answer. Those are right answer. Those are correct answer. The body covering of an animal helps it to. The body covering of an animal helps it to. You can say what is the function of body covering. You know that animals, some animals are covered by the different things, means you can say different covering layers found, like fish, in snail, turtle, bird, sheep, etc. First purpose, prepare its food? No. Move? No. Live in a particular habitat and hibernate? Yeah, C option is correct. Live in a particular habitat. Because you know that body covering helped to animal to survive in particular place. Example, fish. Fish, their body covered with scales. Their body covered with overlapping scales. These overlapping scales protect from the water and other harmful substances. Okay. Example, next example, bird body covered with fur and feathers. You know the feathers help to fly, and fur protect from the heat and cold. Should live in a particular habitat. Next, the breathing organs of amphibians are. What is the breathing organs of amphibians? You know that amphibians means those are live in two types of conditions. They live in water as well as they live on land surface. So amphibians here breathing organs. I take one example. Frog. Frog, you know that frog live in water as well as live on land surface. In both type of condition, they survive in proper way, not face any type of difficulties. So option A, lungs. Yeah, you know that when frog live on land, they breathe with the help of lungs. Gills also. You know that during the life cycle of frog, tadpole condition, tadpole breathe with the help of gills. Body surface, yeah. Adult frog, when live in water, they breathe with the help of moist skin, means body surface. And D option is correct. All of these is a right answer. Okay. Next, frogs and lizards catch their prey by using. Frog and lizards catch their prey with the help of their forelimbs and sucking tubes, sharp teeth, sticky tongues. Sticky tongues. You know that frog and lizards have sticky tongue. With the help of sticky tongue, they catch insects. You can say prey. Now fourth number, insects like lice, bugs, termites move by hopping, walking, crawling, flying. Yes, crawling because wings are not found in lice, bugs and termites. So they crawling on the ground. Their movement is called crawling. Okay. Next, fifth number, snakes move through. Snake moves through. Option A, limbs. B, scales or plates. C, fins. D, claws. B option is correct. Scales and plates. During the explanation, I told snakes move from one place to another place with the help of scales or plates. Their bodies, their lower side of the body, scales or plates are found. With the help of scales or plates, they move on the ground. Now sixth number, plant and flesh-eating animals are called. You know that during the explanation I told on the basis of food habits, mainly here describe only three main kinds: herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. Herbivorous animals eat only plants, leaves and grass. Carnivorous animals eat only flesh of other animals. Omnivorous animals eat both, means plants as well as flesh of other animals. So here plants and flesh eating animals are called omnivorous. B option is correct. Omnivorous. Carnivorous no, and herbivorous no. Scavenger dead animals no. So omnivorous is a right answer. Next, 7. An animal or bird that does not migrate is which of the following is which not migrate from one place to another place? Polar bear, Siberian crane, salmon, locusts. या polar bear. Polar bear not migrate from one place to another place. Other Siberian crane move from Siberia to India every winter season. In winter season for breeding, locusts also migrate from one place to another place, and salmon fish also migrate from sea to river for laying eggs. I repeat again, choose the correct answer. The body covering of an animal helps it to live in a particular habitat. C option is correct. The breathing organ of amphibians are all of these. D option is correct. Frogs and lizards. Frogs and lizards catch their prey by using their sticky tongues. Insects like lice, bugs, termites move by crawling. Snakes move through scales or threads. Plants and flesh-eating animals are called omnivorous. And last, an animal or bird that does not migrate is polar bear. If you not write this classwork, this exercise in copy, then you have complete. You have to write this exercise. But when you complete it, suppose if you will complete it, not necessary to write again. Now all students write homework of lesson 2 animal word. Write and learn. Give 2 examples of each of the following. Write and learn. Give 2 examples of each of the following. First, rodents. You give 2 examples of rodents. Second, migratory birds. You have to give 2 examples of migratory birds. Insects with wings. Give 2 examples of insects with wings. You have to write this homework in copy in proper way. Okay, and I request you, all of you, after watching the video, you have to write name, class and section in comment box daily. Every day when you watching the video, please, you have to write name, class and section. I told many times, but only few students follow the rule and instructions, but other are ignored. So I request you have to write name, class and section in comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Best of luck.